Hyundai has unveiled its enhanced 2024 Sonata for the North American market, featuring a sportier design and improved aerodynamics. The announcement was made during a digital news conference where key Hyundai executives discussed the upgrades and the renewed consumer interest in sedans. The 2024 Sonata will be available in winter and will offer an all-wheel drive option for the first time, mated to a 2.5-liter engine. The car will be available in various models, including a standard internal combustion engine, a sporty N Line variant, and a hybrid electric version. The design of the new Sonata is described as super wide, fresh, modern, and very cool, embodying Hyundai's theme of sensuous sportiness. It features a new curved display that combines the driver information cluster and infotainment system. The car also supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interior design follows a floating theme enhanced by ambient lighting and offers a variety of high-tech features, including a panoramic curved display and a 12-speaker Bose Premium Sound System. The Sonata comes with a range of safety features, including forward collision avoidance assist, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, and blind spot collision assist, among others. It also offers remote smart parking assist, which allows the car to be parked remotely using a smart key. The car is equipped with continuous over-the-air software updates, providing an upgradable experience for owners. The Sonata N Line variant takes sportiness to another level with exclusive features like active sound design, launch control, and power shift, and rev matching. It also has a unique blend of design elements, including an enlarged front bumper grille area, exclusive 19-inch wheels, and a rear spoiler. The interior features red accented stitching and cross-metal pattern trim. The exterior colors of the Sonata have a state-of-the-art aircraft look, with the N Line's exclusive Aero Matte silver color offering a dynamic appearance. The interior is available in a choice of black dark gray and greige two-tone, and dark gray and camel two-tone. The N Line model has exclusive dark gray with red stitching and N Line red paint. The Sonata also offers a variety of purposeful technologies and features. It can be locked, unlocked, and started through the Digital Key 2, which uses various protocols for high security. The head-up display shows the most relevant information for drivers as a 12-inch projection on the windshield, allowing for quick information processing while driving. The car also features an improved 12-speaker Bose Premium Sound System with new Centerpoint 360 technology tuned to deliver a rich and immersive listening experience in every seat. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which were available only on the 2023 Sonata SE models, are now available on all 2024 Sonata models. The new Sonata takes convenience to the next level with continuous OTA software updates, allowing owners to save money and have their cars maintained with the latest software. It also boasts a first-in-class power trunk for added convenience. The car is well appointed with an array of driver assistance and safety features to provide a comfortable driving experience. The lineup includes a gasoline-powered 2.5-liter engine, a 2.5-liter turbo engine developed especially for the N Line, and a 2-liter hybrid electric model. The HEV model is equipped with e-motion drive, which enables a smooth and comfortable driving experience in various conditions. It also has paddle shifters and a regenerative braking mode to further increase fuel efficiency. The new Sonata's aero-friendly design improves fuel efficiency and stability during high-speed driving. Hyundai Motor America focuses on progress for humanity and offers a technology-rich lineup of cars, SUVs, and electrified vehicles in the U.S. The 2024 Sonata is expected to continue this trend, offering a blend of performance, technology, and style. The 2024 Sonata is not just a step forward in terms of design and technology, it also represents Hyundai's commitment to reinvigorating the sedan market. While SUVs and trucks have dominated recent auto sales, Hyundai believes there is still a strong consumer base that prefers the comfort, efficiency, and driving dynamics of a sedan. The addition of an all-wheel drive option and a sporty N Line variant aims to attract a broader range of customers, from those looking for a reliable family car to driving enthusiasts seeking a more spirited experience. Hyundai's focus on continuous over-the-air software updates also signifies a shift towards a more sustainable and future-proof ownership experience. By allowing for software updates, Hyundai ensures that the Sonata remains up to date with the latest features and improvements, reducing the need for frequent trips to the dealership. This not only saves time and money for the owner, but also aligns with a more eco-friendly approach by minimizing the car's lifetime carbon footprint. Lastly, the 2024 Sonata's comprehensive suite of safety features underscores Hyundai's dedication to driver and passenger well-being. From advanced collision avoidance systems to features like remote smart parking assist, the car is designed to mitigate risks and provide a more relaxed driving experience. These safety features, combined with the Sonata's upgraded design and technology offerings, make it a compelling choice for consumers looking for a well-rounded vehicle that doesn't compromise on style, comfort, or safety. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.